Hello guys, welcome to CAD Academy. So in this video we are going to see how a car body is being made. What is the process of making a car body? So car body designing is highly time consuming and complicated stuff. It takes nearly 3 to 4 years to manufacture a car body. So designer has to keep in mind about all the aspects of future. Much more time you give, much better will be your surface. So here is a list of process which a designer follows to create a car body. That is, first is drawing, then rendering the drawing, then 1:4 clay model creation, then again 1:1 clay model creation, and then its drag force testing, then 3D scanning of that model and then converting it to A-class surface in any software, CAD software, and then its die creation in CAD software, then sheet metal pressing as it is a manufacturing process, and then assembly. So let's start with our first step, that is drawing. This process is same as old classical car designing process in which designer used to draw a drawing on paper with help of pencil. So designer or group of designer create several bunches of drawing. Nearly 200 to 300 drawings are being made. You can also share your views to company as freelancers are allowed to share their views. Now out of these 200 to 300 drawings, best 2 or 3 are selected and geometrical preference are given to them. That means the drawing in which engine, gearbox, etc. tolerance are considered. Then different views of car are being made with respect to that drawing. This drawing is then followed for further step, that is the next step, rendering. With help of advanced computer system, these drawings are given the life. Designer with help of Photoshop skills make the drawing looks realistic. That is, some color shades are inserted in the drawing so that it looks like a realistic car. This is done so that it can be earlier predicted how car will be looking like. If it looks good, then next step is followed up, or again we have to select a new drawing and then again we have to render that. In this process, 2D drawing is converted into 3D model. All selected 2D models in previous steps are being modeled. The model is scale up with 1:4 ratio. This is done so that to save the time. Out of all the models, best one is selected and it is forwarded for next step, that is 1:1 clay modeling. The clay used here is known as industrial clay, which is soft when it has moisture and gets hard when it lacks the moisture. In this process, a 3D model of car is being made with help of clay. This model has all the dimensions same which a manufactured car will be having. This process needs a skillful designer. Exterior as well as interior parts are also modeled with help of this clay. Now the car is being wrapped with help of colorful plastic sheets so that the lump in the model can be easily seen due to reflection of light. Now these lumps are being removed. This step is required to check aerodynamics of vehicle. A powerful air blower blows out air on car body. In this step, 1:1 car model is being scanned by 3D scanner. The scan file is combination of various meshes. With help of CAD software, the meshes are converted into a Class A surface. If you want to know what is a Class A surface, please hit like button and please share this video. After conversion into Class A surface, this is what a car looks like. Now many parts are cutted from it and a chassis is being made and these parts are again assembled over it. With help of CAD software, dies are being made for all the parts.